Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about the difference between site-to-site VPN and remote access VPN. We have discussed about VPN earlier. So if I talk about the site-to-site VPN, site-to-site VPN is used when we want to establish a virtual tunnel to provide secure communication between two or more sites or branches communicating over the public network or internet. It is also called LAN-to-LAN VPN. We use IPsec to negotiate the site-to-site VPN tunnel and to secure the traffic in site-to-site VPN. It is used in small networks where we have less number of sites because it can be unmanageable or complex in troubleshooting in big networks. Now, if I talk about site can be considered as a branch. And for now, when we want to create connectivity, let's say we are taking internet connection. So these branch users will be able to communicate with each other over the internet. But for now, there is no security. And on the internet, you know that we can have attackers, right? So if you want to create a secure tunnel, point to point secure, point to point static tunnel between the branch router, then here we can configure site to site VPN. And in this VPN establishment, we use IPsec, or in this site-to-site VPN, we use IPsec to negotiate the VPN tunnel and to secure the user's traffic. Now, if I talk about remote access VPN, it is used to create a secure tunnel between a remote user and a VPN gateway. This VPN gateway can be your edge device or it can be your firewall router where you configure the VPN so that the remote user can access internal corporate network from a public network. We can configure remote access VPN using IPsec or SSL protocol. So here we have this internal network connected behind the firewall. You can consider Cisco Firepower Threat Defense. Now, if you want to provide secure access to this remote user, here you can negotiate a VPN tunnel between this remote user and the firewall. It is called remote access VPN. Here we can use IPsec protocol to negotiate the VPN tunnel and to secure the communication within this VPN tunnel, or we can also use SSL protocol. Thank you.